Welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to see about minimum operation to make array sum divisible by k. What does this question means? They are given one array nums and integer k. Our task is to perform the minimum number of operations that needed sum of array divisible by k. Divisible by k means what? That means we want to check our sum is divisible by the k or not, and we want to return the operations, how many times it is required to change the values in the array that makes the sum divisible by k. Okay, so let me understand how we are going to do this problem. Okay, so we have one array like 1 2 3 4 5 and we have one input k equal to 5. For this the output is 0. How it is coming, let us see first. So how we are going to handle this problem? So first we are going to calculate all this sum. Okay, we are going to calculate array sum. Then we are just going to divisible by a k. Then we will get one value that many time we want our operation to perform in this array. Let me explain you. First, in this array we have 1 2 3 4, right? First we will iteration from this. For summing all the elements in the array, we will use for loop, right? So our I will start from I equal to 0. Then we will initialize one variable sum, right? Sum equal to 0. Then inside the for loop, for every iteration we will do sum plus r equal to array of I, right? Then we will get our sum value. First it will add I of 0, that means 0 plus 1, in sum we will have 1, right? Then the I will be at 1th position, right? The I will be I equal to 1. Then again some for loop will run, sum plus r equal to array of 1, that is already in sum we have 1, now 1 plus 2 we have 3, right? Then again the I will iterate, I increment, the I will be now here. Now the I equal to 2. Again this, again the for loop will run and the array element will get summed. Now here sum plus r equal to array of 2. Now already we have 3 in sum, so plus 3 it will be 6, right? Then again the I will increment, I will goes to now 3, I equal to 3. Then in sum plus r equal to array of 3, we will get, already we have 6 in our sum, then 6 plus 4 we will get 10. Now in our sum 10 will be stored, right? Then again the I will increment, it will goes to I equal to 4. Then again here it will come, and here now in the array the sum plus r equal to array of 4, that means already we have 10 in our sum. Now 10 plus equal to 5, that means 15. The I will increment, then now I will equal to 5. It will out of the loop, and finally we have 15 in sum. Now we are going to return the sum divided by k. Our sum is 15, right? Our k is 5. So 15 modulo 5 means we will get 0. Right? Here we don't need any operations to make the array divisible by the k element because it is already divisible. Okay? So now we will write the code for it in LeetCode. So first, first part we are going to do, we are going to get the sum of the array, right? For that, for int I equal to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus plus. We want to initialize one variable sum equal to 0, then sum plus r equal to a of I, sums of I, right? Then we just want to return the sum modulus k, right? So what here happening? First let me run, then I will check the so all the test cases are passed. So what is happening here? Okay, in our question they have given one array, right? Let me explain through it. So first initializing we have sum is 0, and in for loop first the I will 0 and the I less than our nums dot size. In our first array the length is 3, so we will take 3. It is true, then it will goes inside this. Now sum we have 0, so plus our nums of 5 means we have I equal to 1, so nums of 0, that means 0 plus in nums of 0 what we have 3, right? So here it will add 3. Now in sum we have 3, right? Now here we have 3. Then again I will increment. Now I equal to 1. 1 less than 3. Yeah, it is true. Then again it will goes inside this condition. Now in sum we have 3 and nums of 1 is, nums of 1 what we have sum as 3 and nums of 1 we have this 9, right? 9. So 3 plus 9 we will get 12. Then again I will increment. Now in sum we have 12, right? So now again I will increment. I equal to 2. 2 less than 3, it is true. Now in sum we have 12 and nums of 2 is 7, right? So here 12 plus 7, 19, right? Then again now we have 19 in our sum. Again I will increment. Now I equal to 2. So I equal to 3. It will check 3 less than 3. No, the condition is false. Then this will not execute the block of the for loop. Now here we have 19 in our sum, right? So we modulo with our k is 5 here. We modulo with 5. So what we will get? We will get 4, right? Remainder 4. So we want 4 operation to make the sum of the array to divisible by k. So this is how gonna work the code. Okay, let me submit it. Okay, we have done in optimal way only. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe for more videos.